I'll show you how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows. There are a few simple ways to do this. First, click on the Windows Start menu and type Brightness in the search bar. Select Change Brightness Level from the results. A Display Settings window will open, where you can adjust the screen brightness using the slider. Move it left to dim or right to brighten the screen. Next, you can access the brightness control from the system tray. Click the notification icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click Expand if needed. You'll see a brightness slider. Use it to adjust the brightness to your preference. Finally, many laptops have brightness keys on the keyboard. Press and hold the FN key, then tap the brightness up or down key, usually marked with a sun icon, to adjust your screen brightness. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting brightness in Windows is quick and easy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.